Huawei Honor 8X phones, which will reach Europe and North America, is no different. With a 6.5-inch notched screen, the phone looks superficially similar to the 2018 flagship devices that cost 4 times as much, but its mid-level specifications mean that the 8X simply cannot deliver the same level of performance. Honor has reduced the corners to reach this price point below £250, around $330 USD. But depending on your needs, those might not be the places that interested you in the first place. The Honor 8X makes a very good first impression. It has a gigantic LCD screen with an aspect ratio of 19.59, an elegant glass backrest available in red, blue and black, depending on its territory, 2 backward-facing cameras and a screen notch that gives a screen-body ratio of just over 90%. Hold it in your hands, and it just does not look or feel like a cheap phone.